Hello guys, Andre here with Wings Mobile Detailing. Today we're detailing a beautiful 2021 BMW. We're using Dr. Beasley's set of products. The coating where we apply on the still the wet vehicle is a different type of coating that lasts for 2 years. So we're first, as you guys can see, we're going to prepare the car, wash it completely, do the decontamination using the Dr. Beasley wash soap, and then we're going to proceed rinsing the car, everything completely. And we park the car inside the garage, and then we're gonna follow up and do the coating application. So we got Phil on the phone today. He's gonna help us out because he has a lot of experience with this particular product. It's a new line from Dr. Beasley. And get along guys, check it out, the application process and everything.